when it is related to 4 and 6, and this first bhava is called Saram, Sthiram, Ubhayam. And the same way, Saram, Sthiram, Ubhayam. Saram, Sthiram, Ubhayam. Saram, Sthiram, Ubhayam. So, Sthiram, okay. And Saram and Ubhayam, when related to Shukran, that is Venus, they will buy a new car. Even though I bought a car, my fourth bhava is related to Sun. I bought a car which is 1 year standing simply in the showroom, okay, which is like a new model has arrived in 2014. So in 2014, at the end of the month, end of the year, that is year end March, I went and bought the car. So my option is like to buy the old model car, not the new Swift, okay, new Swift variant. So when Shukran is, Venus is related to 4 and 6, the person will buy a new car. When a person 4, 6 and 9, 9 is traditional, 9 is father, 9 is ancestral blessings. So all this comes under 9. And 9 comes in research, 9 comes under higher studies like MSc. So everything comes under 9. Like for ninth bhava relates to a person who has a wisdom in a temple, and he often go to temple. So all these traditional things comes here. So 4, 6 and 9 comes, the person will buy a old vehicle, okay. So that is what related. So in the same way, 7 is the other person, 1 is you. So other person vehicle is 10. From 7, if you count from 7, 1, 2, 3 and 4, the 10th bhava of yours 10th bhava is, your 10th bhava is other person's 4th bhava. So when you want to buy the old vehicle, he want to sell it. So this 9 should activate, okay. So 4, 6 and 9, old vehicle, okay. So exchange of vehicle. Sometimes you will give your vehicle to your nephew, and the nephew will give the vehicle to you, and they say to your relative or someone. That happens often. It happens between your cousins, and that works out only when, I will tell you the example how it works. So this is you, this is other person, this is you, this is other person. So other person vehicle is 10, your vehicle is 4. So when you sell it to your cousin or other person sell it to you, okay. So 3, 4, 9, 10. If these 4 bhavas activates, you will exchange the vehicle. 2, 9, 10, 11. What is this actually? You have any idea? So, you buy a vehicle that is yours. How it comes is like 2, 9, 10 and 11. So, 2 is your money, 9 and 11 will make this, will crush this 10. Actually the 10 is nothing but the fourth bhava of 7. So, you will buy the vehicle which got accident. So, you, that is like you will be profited from there. See, you spend small amount of money for 7, that is 8. So, for 7 other, for other person, for a small accident they will sell the vehicle. So, for other person it is like it is a very emotional and disturbing to them. So, they sell the vehicle, but you are profited. Okay. For you 11 is getting activated and 9 is getting activated and 2 is activated. By spending a small amount of money, you are trying to get a good vehicle from other person which got stuck by some other vehicle. Okay. So, this is the 2, 9, 10, 11 bhava Kaspa. So, 3, 4, 10, 11. 4 is a vehicle, 10 is other person vehicle. So, you get a vehicle by borrowing it from some other person. Okay. So, that is like getting a rented vehicle. Okay. So, other person vehicle is 10. So, you get a other person vehicle. So, you have a fate of getting only other person vehicle like 3 and 4. Okay. So, 3 and 4 activate means you do not have an ability to buy a vehicle, but when it is related to 10 and 11, you can easily get other people vehicle and then you can enjoy it by spending some amount, that is it. So, this is like borrowing vehicle. So, our next thing is (312) exchange of vehicle often. Okay. For 4, 3 and 2, 12 gets activated means he often sells a vehicle and that will become a burden for him also. Okay. 3 and 12, he often gets sell his vehicle or he often rent a vehicle also. Okay. But here 3 and 12 comes means he often exchange a vehicle, like if someone gets an iPhone, often buy an iPhone when there is an upgrade. So, he spends his money often. That is 12th bhava. 3 is nothing but 12th bhava of 4th. So, he often upgraded by spending much money. If 4 and 3 is there, then he will not be able to buy a vehicle. So, 4 and 3. If the fourth cuspal is linked to 3, he will never buy a vehicle. If he buy a vehicle also, he will sell it or it will get lost if 12 is there.